In this video, you'll learn how to recall a sent email in Outlook, step by step. To begin, go to the Home tab in Outlook and then switch to the Support Article tab. This helps you review the official guidance on recalling emails. Make sure you're viewing instructions for Classic Outlook, so the steps match your version. Click the search box in Outlook to keep organized or locate any sent items you may want to recall. Next, open the Sent Items folder so you can select the email you want to recall. Open the More Actions menu in the selected email to access available message options. Close any unnecessary browser tabs to keep your workspace organized for the recall process. Then open More Options in your email toolbar and look for the Recall Message command in the drop-down menu to begin the recall process. Click OK in the Recall dialog to confirm, and Outlook will try to delete the email from recipients' mailboxes. You now know how to recall a sent email in Outlook.